Welcome! Today, you'll practice everyday English for first days, parties, shopping, and transport delays. How was your first day?
It was good, but a little overwhelming because everything was new.
What was the place like?
The place was friendly and people seemed helpful.
What did you learn on the first day?
I learned the basics and got a better idea of how things work.
How did you feel at the start?
I felt a bit nervous at first, but I became more comfortable later.
What was the best part of the day?
The best part was meeting people and feeling welcomed.
How was the party?
It was fun. There were lots of people, but the mood was relaxed.
Who did you catch up with?
I caught up with a few friends I hadn't seen for a while.
What was the food like?
The food was nice and there were plenty of options.
What did you enjoy most?
I enjoyed the conversations and the relaxed atmosphere.
How late did you stay?
I stayed for a while, but I left before it got too late.
How was shopping?
It was okay. I found most of what I needed.
What did you buy?
I bought a few basic things and one item I'd been looking for.
How were the prices?
Some things were reasonable, but a few items were more expensive than expected.
What was the shop like?
It was busy, but everything was easy enough to find.
How long did it take?
It took about an hour because I had to check a few different places.
What happened with the train?
The train was delayed, so I had to wait longer than expected.
How long were you delayed?
I was delayed by about 20 minutes, which was a bit annoying.
What did you do while waiting?
I just checked my phone and waited for the next update.
How did you get there in the end?
I took the next train and walked the rest of the way.
How did the delay affect your day?
It made me a bit late, but luckily it didn't ruin everything.
Well done! Keep listening and repeating to improve your fluency.